Hi class, I'm James Hampson, and today I'm going to show you how to become a wind master. So, the lesson today is points of sail, and our objective, so what we want to accomplish by the end of this is for you guys to be able to describe the points of sail and select individual diagrams that show these points. So I'll just write that up. Alright, so first of all, when your boat is facing directly into the wind, that's called irons. And pretty much when your boat's right in irons, how fast do you think you can move?
Not at all.
Exactly. And how do you think your sails are going to be?
They're going to flap around.
Yeah, they're going to be luffing right in the center. Alright. So, just to start off, so we know that this is irons. So, what's the next point of sail? It's basically as close as you can be traveling again into the wind without losing speed. And that is called close haul. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just draw one boat here, so you can see, and that's the wind, and now that's irons. Now let's say your boat's in close haul. So, when you're in this point of sail, let's say this is your jib and that's your main sail. The wind is going to be coming directly on and basically dispersing right off your sail, coming from this angle. So when you have it sheeted in all the way, you gain maximum efficiency. If you were to let it out a bit, the wind, as you can see in this diagram here, the wind would just go right through and you wouldn't be capturing anything. So basically, it's pretty simple for close haul. Both sails, jib and main, all the way in. So I'll draw that up here. Oh. And irons, your sails are luffing, of course. So there you go, there are your two sails, fully pulled in. Alright, so our second point of sail is called a close reach. There you go. And yeah, it's just a little bit more off than close haul, and basically in this point of sale, it's going to be more on this kind of angle. The wind coming right down here. So if you were to just leave your sail pulled in all the way and not do any adjusting, the wind would come, well, it would come right on, and it would have sort of a different pattern. It would be going right on your sail, and what you're just going to be losing speed because, first of all, it's, as you can see, it's pushing you back a bit instead of getting that thrust you need from the back, and you'd be drifting off because even with your centerboard down, it's too much pressure. So you'd find that you drift a bit. So what we actually want to do is have our sails loosened just a bit more, and I'll show what that is going to do for you here. And basically what that's going to do for us is it's going to add, when the wind comes down, it's going to give us more thrust to push it forward, and we're not going to have as much of that drift as if you had it fully pulled in. Alright, so we'll just draw this in here. Alright, now the next point of sail is directly side to the wind, and that is called a beam reach. So how do you want your sails in a beam reach? How you want your sails, I'll show you guys here. You're going to want your sails just about halfway out. Alright, so what we're showing here is that you want it halfway out so that when it's coming directly down on you, you can get that thrust to push you forward. And same goes as in close reach. If you were to have your sails in more than halfway, you would cause more drift, so putting you off your course and also slowing you down much more than you want. And so yeah, I'll just draw that in for you. Now, next point of sail is a broad reach. Okay, broad reach. Now at this point, the wind is not coming from the side anymore. It's coming from your back. And okay. So the wind's coming directly from your back, and your main sail is going to be all the way out, and you want your jib also all the way out. But what is going to happen is the wind is coming down right on your sail, and it's thrusting your mainsail. Your mainsail is getting full power from the wind. But directly behind your mainsail, where your jib is what we call a dead zone right here. And your jib isn't going to be getting as much wind because the mainsail is stopping that wind from coming to your jib. So what you want to do is, if you truly are on a run and the wind is right at your back and you're going straight down, you can bring your jib over, which is called butterflying, and you can butterfly your jib, giving you a full airway here, allowing the wind to come freely and give you full power. So it's a lot faster to butterfly than just leave your jib on the other side luffing for no reason. So I'll draw this in for you here. Okay. Now, as we can see, the diagram is fully filled in, and you should all know all the types of sail, all the points of sail. Now what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to erase this. Pull this back. And now it's your turn to come up and just see
I remember.
how you remember this. So first of all, just start with your first point of sail and just go through the names one by one.
Irons,
Yep,
close hull,
correct?
close reach,
Very good.
beam reach, broad reach. I think you've got an extra one in here, and a run.
Alright, very good.
And then when you're on a run, you want to go wing on wing.
That is correct. Now, pretty much you know how your sail is going to be in irons, right?
Yep. Okay. Why don't I use a different color?
Yeah.
So irons, and then on a close haul, you want it right in tight.
Pretty good.
Oh, the jib too. I'm not very good at drawing jibs. Okay. There.
Yeah.
And then on a close reach, it's just kind of out a little bit.
Very good.
And on a beam reach, it's out a little bit more. And on a broad reach, it's out almost all the way. And then on a run, as I said, it's wing on wing with one on one side and one on the other, right?
That's very good.
All right.
Alright. Now, you're a master. You're a wind master.
A wing master, thank you.